Hello and welcome. Today we will study about domestic Electrolux. This type of refrigerator is also called three fluid absorption system. Three fluids absorption system means ammonia, that is NH3, which is used as refrigerant. Second, water or H2O, which is used as solvent, and third one is hydrogen. I will discuss about hydrogen and ammonia later in this lecture. So this is also known as three fluid absorption system in vapor absorption cycle, right? The main purpose of this system is to eliminate the pump so that in absence of moving parts the machine becomes noiseless. So basically domestic Electrolux is a noiseless system. The three fluids used in this system are ammonia, used as refrigerant, water, used to increase the rate of evaporation of ammonia. Water here is used, water here is used to rate the absorption rate of ammonia, because water is the only substance which can highly absorb the ammonia. And hydrogen, it is used to increase the rate of evaporation of ammonia, and it is insoluble in water. The hydrogen cycle in domestic Electrolux is from absorber to evaporator. This is the path where hydrogen will follow. The liquid refrigerant, leaving the condenser, the liquid refrigerant leaving the condenser flows under gravity to evaporator. Condenser to evaporator, the whole domestic Electrolux will work on only gravitational force. So condenser to evaporator, the liquid ammonia will falls to evaporator by means of gravity, where it meets the gas which is hydrogen. The hydrogen gas which is being fed to evaporator permit the liquid ammonia to evaporate at low pressure and temperature to the absorber, where the form a strong solution along with water, and absorber, the strong solution is fed directly by heat exchanger to generator. In generator, what happened? We supplied heat by gas burner so that the ammonia evaporates quickly to condenser. We provide a rectifier in between, and weak solution, that is a part of hydrogen or some part of some portion of hydrogen and water, will again supply to absorber. Here we implement a heat exchanger so that the waste heat of the weak solution, the waste heat of weak solution will absorb the will absorb by the strong solution which is coming to generator. Here there are a few points. First, hydrogen is only gas circulates from absorber to evaporator. Absorber to evaporator. In the Voltcycle works under gravitational force, because the Voltcycle is worked under gravitational force, and there is no moving part. In this cycle there is no moving part. There is a condenser, which is a kind of heat exchanger, works on a constant pressure. There is a evaporator, again a kind of heat exchanger, which works on a constant pressure. And a absorber, a kind of mixing chamber, which having no moving part. And a generator, which is again a vessel having no moving part. So Voltcycle is noiseless cycle, and it works under gravitational force, so it cannot be used for industrial person. So can't be used for industry purpose. Why? Because the COP, which is heat absorbed in evaporator divided by heat supplied in generator, is very low. The COP of domestic Electrolux cycle is very low, because the heat absorbed in evaporator here is very low as compared to heat supplied to generator. So this is a domestic Electrolux. Let me discuss again the main highlight point. First, it is a 3-element cycle, 3-phase element cycle, 3 fluid absorption system, a noiseless system. What the 3 phases? What the 3 elements? Ammonia, which is used as a refrigerant, air, water, which is used as a solvent to absorb the ammonia and implement in whole cycle, which comes from here to here. And in generator we separate ammonia to water from water and again supply to absorber. And hydrogen, which is a gas used to increase the evaporation rate of ammonia by means of less the vapor pressure of ammonia. So the COP of this cycle is very low, because the amount of heat absorbed here in evaporator is very low as compared to heat supply in generator. So it cannot be used in an industrial purpose. Thank you.